Hello everybody, Aisha Catalano here. Thank you guys so much for checking in. Today's video is just a reminder to be helpful, to do something good for somebody else just for the sake of doing it. I actually have this cool little book. It's called One Good Deed a Day. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, it's called One Good Deed a Day. It's a little journal, and there are so many cute little activities in there, like put change in somebody's expired meter, or tell your cashier to have a great day, have a glass of wine or favorite beverage waiting for your spouse when they arrive home from wherever they are, call an old friend and tell them how much you've missed them, little things like that. And I think it's so important in this fast-paced world that we have with all of our technology and everything else. We just lose sight of those small, seemingly insignificant things that could really genuinely make somebody else's day. And this is especially great to do maybe on a day where you're not feeling at your best. The fastest pick-me-up is to cheer someone else up or to do something kind for another individual. Yesterday, I had the opportunity to actually kind of conference call in with one of my business partners who's all the way up in Boston and I'm all the way over in California, and I was able to help them with their travel party presentation, and it was amazing. Like, that was the highlight of my day, to just be able to call in and answer questions for their guests and to, chat with them a little bit about the opportunity and to just help them with their event. And it was awesome, and like I said, it was the highlight of my day. And it really meant a lot to me to be able to help them out. And, just little things like that. Anytime where you can genuinely just do something good for somebody else, I definitely think that you shouldn't pass up the opportunity to make somebody else's day. Maybe you don't need, a little journal to remind you to do it 365 days out of the year, but every opportunity that you have, you absolutely should just go for it and make somebody else's day, because, why not? There's so many other things going on in the world. The more positive activity that we can generate and the more lives that we can bless, I think that we should absolutely do so. All right, you guys, thank you so much for checking in. Remember to live the life you love and love the life you live. God bless you guys. I'll talk to you soon.